Well, today is the day of the big graduation party. You excited, Callie boy? Oh yes, he's so excited. He's biting my face off. So we're just waiting for Mickey to get here. We gotta run some errands and get some more food and ice and all that. But I'm really excited. And look at my cool nails. I put like nail decals on them. I don't know if you can see. I'm not even really sure what they are. I think it's like leaves. But yeah, I'm really excited for the party. It should be so fun. I'm a little bit nervous about Calvin just because I know everyone wants to see him and that's all fine and dandy, and I'm sure that he can just, Calvin's such a people person that he can just run around and he'll have fun with whoever doing whatever. And he won't really leave the area because he likes to be around people. I'm just scared that like some of my older relatives and stuff are going to feed him like table food and he doesn't eat that, so I'm a little worried. But I'm sure it'll be fun.
I'm going. It's starting.
Birthday or anything, but okay. Am I supposed to wish for something?
Yeah.
I pray I get a job.
Yeah, that's a good wish.
A good paying job.
One say
a better wish.
the baby.
Right, Marilyn?
Okay.
Right.
You had a silly face.
Is that all I have to do?
A good paying job.
Get a little closer.
A job that I can support yourself.
All right, that's fine. All right, I just want to cut this.
Okay.
Wherever.
She goes.
I cut the cake and wished for a good job.
Oh, look at that.
I don't know, maybe now. Oh, you're not supposed to say it out loud, so maybe now I won't get
She's
it.
resting from the
Remember
I
my
think
Aunt
you'll
Marilyn?
get it. I think you'll get it. Who wouldn't want you working for
I
them?
mean, really.
I mean, really?
I mean, really. Mom,
Yes.
thanks for putting my party together.
You're welcome.
I love you.
Had fun. I love you too. And I hope that everybody's having fun.
I think so.
Look at this crooked OU you put on the window.
If they're not, the hell with that.
Their fault.
Picture of Leah?
Yeah.
Can I interrupt the vlogging for a minute?
Yeah.
Favorite thing.
Take a picture of
Doggy.
the dog.
Come here, doggy.
Jana, where's your doggy?
She's overweight.
Where's your doggy?
Gigi, do you want some cake, honey?
Just leave it heavy. She's fine.
She's fine.
She's just having.
Where's Mama?
Marilyn. Took her out.
What?
Breathing heavy. She's fine.
Dog, she's fine.
That's why I'm afraid. She had like wow. Yeah, they whip it at you. You can't catch it. Left side.
Nick, we gotta explain Frisbeerski. What is there to say? Here's the beer, there's the Frisbee. You try to knock it off. Knock it off.
And that's it.
That's it. You having fun yet or no?
Yeah, getting there.
Ugh.
Kath, you ready?
Kath, you're being my partner.
You're up.
They are grown out.
Hola, hombre.
Really good.
Is that Spanish, Kath? Hombre?
Yes, it is. Yeah, that's hombre.
Hombre.
Maybe
hombre.
Does that mean home slice?
No, I don't
Is that the home slice haircut? Is that what they call it?
Is that the home slice?
It's the home slice.
this is what they call the home.
If you were to go to a
home
barber and
slice
be
dye
like,
job.
give me the home slice dye job, they'd be like, okay.
And they would do it just like that. They would know exactly.
Well, that's what I told Ashley. I was like, Ashley,
Go to.
I want to
home
get back to my
slice.
roots. I want to do the home slice.
Hey.
That's how it came out.
So Miles, let's talk about the grieving process.
Oh no.
Need one. Still taping you.
Don't cry, bro.
I'm not going to.
Number 3.
It looks like you are through the
It
camera.
does. It's not, no, it's not.
Whenever I don't want to be seen, I put my glasses on.
It's invisible.
Do you remember that when I used
Does anyone want to date Miles? He's like, he's a total package.
when I used to
You'll
do
have to
that?
wear heels, or you can't wear heels.
He's like Mickey.
Only kitten heels.
I don't know what that is. So.
What up?
What up?
That would tear your bones apart.
Are you leaving?
Yeah, we're gonna take
I gotta film that tan line.
You guys have fun.
Yeah,
Will do.
Motorcycle.
Roll the window down and hang your head out the window. This is a video.
Oh, it's a video?
You just posed for a picture. It's forever going to be on YouTube.
Oh, no.
With your tan
I
line.
gotta show my better side.
No,
Let's see it.
Do it. I'm in for some good
Look, you're making
TV.
me blush, and I'm not shy.
You already are
I'm in
blushing.
for some good TV.
Your forehead's white still.
Facade.
Touche. Fair enough.
If my family wasn't here, and these little girls were here, I would show
Okay,
you.
your
then no one would be here.
be us.
If it wasn't for all this family and young girls, it would be Brian, Miles, and
Matt says congratulations and sorry.
That's awesome. She may have already put it on though.
Calvin, look, smile.
Oh my god, she had a double. I told you that. She ripped one and was rounding second, just fell flat on her.
Say hi.
Here's Miles.
He's crying.
He's crying. No, he's not. He's laughing. He's hiding behind that tree. He's over there crying. It's going on YouTube, bro.
Oh, I'm gonna throw up. Don't want to see that.
Dude, don't show that. Miles had a nosebleed. Miles, go throw that in the garbage. Dude, get that away. I'm not kidding. Dude, go throw it out.
Do it again.
No, just go. Why are you putting that in a...
Miles, show it to him.
You will. You will.
Dude, I'll puke right on this table. Why are you Why are you sniffing your bloody napkin, dude?
It's blood. It's. Want some of this?
No, gross. Why is it in a cup? I'm over it.
You sure? Because it's really bloody.
Dude, stop.
Oh.
My mom's gonna puke. You're gonna make Tammy puke? I would never make Donna puke.
Oh, that's bloody.
Oh. This cup smells like dried blood. You want to smell it?
Alright, I'm leaving.
Aw, you're killing the party.
How come you're red right here?
Yeah, I was bleeding, sir.
He was crying.
I was bleeding everywhere.
Let's zoom in real quick and get those tears. Hey, Miles is single. And if you want a piece, he'll dish it out.
Where are the dick?
There's a sleeping baby.
Colleen about LOL. How do you feel about your new nephew?
He's really cute now. I hope he stays that way.
I hope he doesn't get into drugs.
I like stays off the streets.
No, I can't use that.
Hey, video bloggers! It's a takeover. Amelia's video blog.
Hi.
This is Kim. She's really friendly. Leah blogs about every day of her life.
Oh, really? Hi. I'm at Leo's party.
Yeah, grad party. Woo! Congrats. Yeah. Hopefully one day she'll be at one for her own kid.
We'll have our own.
Yeah. I went to Mrs. Friday and I was like, congratulations on your daughter's success.
Well, I guess.
Thank you.
So do you see it? Call otherwise.
Don't tilt it.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
How's that feel?
Oh wait, let's take a picture of that. They're playing, what is it called? Birizzibi?
Didn't try to catch it.
Say hi to the video bloggers.
Hey.
You like try to hit this beer off the pole. It sounds as hillbilly as it looks.
Not good.
Nah,